Oh, hi guys. Ako nga po pala si John Marvy and I'm here to tell you, okay pwedeng sabihin sa inyo. Okay guys, ang sabi nga pala nila sa akin noon, ano nga ba talaga ang pag-ibig? Tinanong ko din sa sarili ko, ano ba talaga ang pag-ibig? I mean, hindi lahat ng tao alam ang pag-ibig. Hindi lahat ng tao naranasan na nila. For me, a normal 16-year-old boy, trying to find the answer, I searched for it. Tinry kong magmahal. Nagmahal ako. I fell in love with the girl I met at my third year in high school. I met this girl. Um, More like an emo siya. I feel like, my God, this girl. I mean, you know, you felt a spark when you saw her face. When I saw her face. I mean, sinabi ko sa kanya, hi, how are you? Sabi niya sa akin, I'm okay. How about you? At sinabi ko sa kanya, um, I'm not really okay. And she told me, why? And I tell her that I felt something weird when I saw you. Tumawa siya. I mean, her laugh was just amazing. Yung feeling na napatawa mo yung babaeng crush mo. Sabi ko, my God, what is this feeling? You can't tell the difference between laughing of a girl laughing from a distance and a girl laughing from maybe in front of you, and that girl is like your crush. I mean, it's unbelievable. Sabi ko sa kanya, bakit ka tumatawa? Sabi niya sa akin, I mean, you asked me something and you made me laugh on that something. I mean, okay, something na lang ang alam mo. I mean, I want to be as cool as possible that come on day. I mean, every boy wants to do that. But for me, I felt something weird inside my chest. It felt heartwarming to finally find a girl that's as weird as me. Oo, aminin ko, weird ako. Nothing to do with that. I'm not one of those bullies, one of those cool people. Hindi ako plastic. Most of the cool people are plastics that hide under mask or something. I'm one of those weird people that tend to like weird things. Pero pag nakita mo ako sa personal, mukha akong bad boy na gangster na kilala nila. Well, that's life. People tend to see the covers but doesn't see the meaning inside of it. Ako, falling in love to that girl was the most heartwarming feeling of all. Parang pinanghanak ako uli nung nakita ko siya. I mean, any boy would like to feel that. For me, I felt like this was my chance to fall in love. Seriously, huh? I mean, I asked her out. We've gone to dates. I mean, after 6 months, I've known her, Ben. Sinabi ko sa kanya, bakit ako manliligaw? Bakit ako manliligaw sa babaeng hindi ko pa kilala ng gusto? Lalaki ako, oo. Pero ang lalaking tulad ko, kinikilala ko muna. Ang taong pwedeng maging habang buhay ko. I'm not a person that likes a girl and after a week, kami na. I'm a boy that observes. sees what's inside the girl. Tinitingnan ko talaga kung anong meron siya. Tinitingnan ko kung I'm not only looking at her looks, I'm looking for her smile. Hindi normal na tuwa. I mean, ang lalaki tulad ko, naghahanap ng smile na makakapagpakintab ng puso ko. And after that day I finally confessed. She told me he loved me the very first time she saw me. And I was like, my God, what is this feeling? Ano ba yung feeling na to? Nagmahal ka ng babaeng, my God, I can't express the feeling na nagmahal ka ng babaeng, mahal ka din. Hindi ako mayabang sa ganon. I felt a sense of achievement nung sinabi niya sa akin yun. For a year, for a year na kinikilala ko siya. And that day that I confessed to her, I felt falling in love was not really that bad. Since that fateful day happened, time niya nang umalis. Nilipat siya ng ibang bansa. She was going to Europe and me in the Philippines. I mean, I'm only high school. What can I do? Anong gusto mong gawin ko? And she told me we had no chance in meeting again. I told her why. We have social media, we can communicate or whatever. And she told me it's not that easy without you. Sinabi ko sa kanya, so what are you telling me? Sabi niya sa akin, ang pinakamasakit na sinabi niya sa akin, Marvy, it's time to let go. Me and you can't be together that long. Times have passed. We both know it, right? Parang noon lang kasama kita pero ngayon mukhang iiwan na kita. And I told her, I will find you. I promise you. One of these years I will really go to you. And she told me, don't do that, Marvy. Give your life a chance. You're not you are not here because of me. You are here because you love me. And sinabi ko, nagpapatawa ka ba? What's the difference? Sabi niya sa akin. Pinakahuling sinabi niya sa akin, Marvy, I love you with the deepest of, with the deepest regrets. Sabi ko, why? Sabi niya, because I can't be with you like we promised the first time I saw you. I really want a forever, yet here I am, the first one to leave you. And dinala na siya ng tatay niya. We had our times. Minahal ko siya. I cried like a little baby. Well, a little baby that is. As time passes, I never really forgot about her. And I promised to myself, I will love somebody that doesn't want to leave me alone. Thank you.